If you guys like Grimer, this is the pack for you that I got. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be opening up an Amazon mystery pack of 50 assorted Pokemon cards. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail packaging right here. We have a label that says Pokemon assorted cards, 50 pieces. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and see what we get. All right, so check it out. You can see our 50 random cards right here. Quality looks good. Nothing looks bent or damaged or anything like that, which is really nice. You can see it from the back side. Let's flip it over. First up, we have a Meowth. And I did notice, maybe you can see it right here. We do have, I don't know if that's a print line, factory lines, or anything along those lines, but you can see the line we have there on this card. So first up, a Meowth, followed by, oh, another Meowth. Same thing, has that line. And another Meowth. All right, I'm seeing a pattern here. Meowth. Hey, there we go. We got a Grimer. This also has the line. Another Grimer. Another Grimer. Another Grimer. Another Grimer. Another Grimer. Holy smokes, we got a lot of Grimers here. If you guys like Grimer, this is the pack for you that I got. Keep in mind, random assorted Pokemons. Supposedly, you should have some duplicates, but I guess when they say that, you could get a lot of duplicates. Hey, we finally got a new Pokemon right there. Carvanha. Carvana. So check it out. Still have that print line. All right, seeing a lot of duplicates in this pack. But quality's not bad. I mean, just weird that they all have that line there. Everything else looks good. Centering, back. So they're actually nice cards. A lot of duplicates though. Natu. So and this one has the lines too. It's like the whole set does. All right, a lot of Natus. Then we have some Duskulls, Duskull with that line. All right, wow, what do we got? All right, no way. So we're gonna end it with this card. So here, look at all the cards. You can see out of those 50 cards, we only got 6 different Pokemon. Out of the 6 Pokemon, 5 are common. Only 1 is uncommon. We did not get any rare cards, holos, or anything else. So you can see 4 uncommon Absols right here. Tons of duplicates. Grimer and Duskull, especially. That's a majority of the cards in this pack that we got. And for some reason, they all have the same print lines, and they're all from the same set. So with that being said, it's truly random. It's going to vary by seller and a lot, so just keep that in mind. What you see here isn't necessarily what you're going to get, but I think it's a good indicator of the amount of duplicates and the lack of rares, holos, reverse holos, or anything else. So just keep that in mind. You definitely get what you pay for. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.